In this video, we will see how to add a new instrument into your instrument Gage Calibration Log. So we will go to All Customers. We will choose Gage Calibration for our customer. Now we will select Add New and click on View Part. We will then type in the serial number for this gauge. It will be the serial number that is on the gauge and click on Add A. We'll see that it lets us know that we need to edit the instrument information. So we'll edit here and now. If you need to know what any of these fields are, you can click on the Help field. So for this one, we're going to say it's an SPI 6-inch caliper and the instrument status is Pass. The standards are the standard that is used to calibrate that instrument against. Instrument location will say that this is in the laser area, and the last calibrated, I'm going to go ahead and put this for last year. And then it needs calibrated every 365 days. So we'll save the gauge. Now in the attachments, you can add the calibration standard. And so we'll go here and we'll add the standard. Now typically this would be named something more unique like CM-01-25, and it comes from the standard itself. We can see that the instrument standard is standard, and here's the attachment standard. We have added the standards attachment. Again, the standard file name and the standard field is taken from the standard itself. Inside of the standard, it would have a standard number. That's how to add an instrument to the calibration log. Now we see that it was last calibrated on 5/1/25. If we go to the home page, we'll see that we have an instrument that's 2. We can click here to see the calibration log. You can also see the calibration log under Quality Instrument Calibration Log, and it will show the instruments that need calibrated. So we can view this. Now if we send this out to be calibrated, or if we calibrate it in-house, we could come to Edit Add-ins, Edit the Instrument, and we could change this calibration date to a current date. And we can say that we calibrated it today, just by clicking the Add Today. Save to Gauge. So we see that it was calibrated on 5/25/2026. Now, when we go to the home page, the notification that an instrument is due is no longer there. And in the Instrument Calibration Log, we see there's that instrument, and it's due next on 5/25/2027. So that's how to add instruments to the calibration log and record that you have calibrated the instrument.